Comparison between DNA and RNA. Now, let us compare the features of DNA and RNA. DNA acts usually as genetic material, RNA genetic material of some viruses. DNA is usually double stranded, but in certain viruses DNA is single stranded, example Psi-X174. In the case of RNA, most cellular RNA is single stranded. In case of some viruses, for example retrovirus, have double stranded RNA. Hairpin stem loop structures also found. In the case of DNA, the common organic bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. In the case of RNA, the common organic bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. In the case of DNA, the base pairing occurs between adenine pairs with thymine and guanine with cytosine. In the case of RNA, adenine pairs with uracil and guanine with cytosine. In the case of DNA, the pentose sugar is deoxyribose. In the case of RNA, it is ribose sugar. Most of the DNA is found in the chromosomes. Some DNA is also found in the cytoplasm, example in mitochondria and chloroplast. While in the case of RNA, messenger RNA is formed on the chromosomes and is found in the nucleolus and cytoplasm. rRNA and tRNA are also formed on the chromosomes and are found in cytoplasm. DNA have a complement ratio, number of A is equal to number of T and number of G is equal to number of C. But in the case of RNA, don't have complement ratio and most of the bases are not binding each other.